What's up, guys? It is me, Randy.
And I'm back at another car place.
No, man, I can't lie. I am here at the Orlando Convention Center, man. This is a big, humongous show that's going on right now. I'm super stoked about it because I told my wife I was gonna go, and she said, babe, you should just go. So I just went. And you know how it is when you're able to get off the leash. I ran over here as fast as I could. So I'm over here, like I said, at the Orlando Convention. Orlando Convention. What the hell is it? It's the Orlando Auto Show. It's the Orlando Auto Show. So I'm here at the Orlando Auto Show. I just got a new SD card that gives me like 6 hours of recording time, which is freaking ridiculous. I'm not even gonna be here that long, but it's the Orlando Auto Show. It is the Central Florida International Auto Show, that is. And today is their starting day. It's going to be from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Tickets and all that information is available online if you check them out at Central Florida International Auto Show. They have online tickets. I'm here at the door, so I'm most likely just going to buy my ticket right at the door. I did see some test drive vehicles, and I did see some off-road stuff too, so I'm really interested to see, you know, all the different type of vehicles. I see test drive and all these different model cars. But yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys with me, man. Of course, I gotta do a quick B-roll of the vehicle that we came in here. The vehicle that we came here in, and that's the 2018 Dodge Charger RT. I hope you guys enjoy this video, man. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let's get it, baby! Or it's just like these cool guys. This guy in the orange Civic, and this guy in the AMG Mercedes, and this guy in the Audi. And I don't know why the truck is over there, honestly, but that Jaguar over there is pretty nice. Just like those other guys, we parked far away, and that's because we love our cars. We love our cars. That's how you can tell if you're a car guy. If you park your car farthest away from where the door is, wherever the entry is to wherever you're going, if you park your car far away, odds is you're a car guy. Hats off to you guys. I salute. I can't wait to show you guys what's on the inside, man. Look, I see a whole bunch of Ford signs. I see Subaru, and this is like a test track over here, so I'm not even inside, guys. Let's get this video going. All right, so we made it up the mountain high staircase. We're about to enter the front door, and I'm gonna pay for my ticket, and we'll get this all documented for you guys. I'm excited. I'm almost out of breath from going up them stairs. Just made it on the inside, and the first one that I see is Dodge. So I think it's only right that we go see the Dodge, considering we drove here in the Dodge Charger RT. And let's see what they have in the Dodge section. Dodge Durango. And this is my first time here. The experience is person. And I know we're gonna be able to test drive some of these, so I'm kind of curious as to see what other options they have. Here goes the Hemi. So this is more like the RT. This is the model that I have and what we drove here in, but this is in a SUV form. And I love that dark grayish, bluish color. I think it looks really good. The wheels look nice on here too. I like that orange one over there, but you know, it's only a Chrysler 300. You guys seen that a bunch of times. They have Alfa Romeo. I guess Alfa Romeo is here with the Dodge, and I'm not sure why. I'm not sure why these are over here, actually. I'm curious as to why these are here, but that is okay. So here goes another Alfa Romeo. And to be honest with you, I like the Alfa Romeo. I don't know too much about them. I thought they were European, or they looked European, because they just made it over here to the States, I want to say maybe 10 years ago. But look at the inside. The interior looks really nice. And I know it's kind of dark here, but you can see it's got this nice symbol right there in the headrest. I like that all black with the red interior. I heard that these cars are kind of fast. I met a cop at a Dunkin' Donuts, and he says that he owned one of these, and he says that the car is extremely quick. Something about a 4-cylinder turbo, but yeah, man. Either way, it's a very nice car. Alfa Romeo is kind of cool, man. If you guys like Alfa Romeo, or even the Dodge Hellcats that we just looked at, if you guys like Alfa Romeo, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I will try to bring you guys some more Alfa Romeo content and try to figure out some more information. And if you guys know anything about it, make sure you guys comment, because I don't know much about the manufacturer Alfa Romeo. I don't know too much about it. Let's take a look at the back seat. I love the little lights that they put back there. It's like a very cool looking car. Very cool looking car. And here goes the Dodge Charger Bumblebee, or at least that's what I call it. I'm not sure exactly what it is. I think it has a 6.4 liter Hemi, just a little bit bigger. And it's got the black spoiler. Yep, it's got the 392 on it. So this is a scat pack, I'm sorry. So it's got the black spoiler, the black hood, and the little yellow fins that everyone gives all the owners, all the people who own these vehicles, they give them a hard time, because those are just come from factory. They're not actually there for anything other than protecting the vehicle when it comes off the truck. And a lot of people don't know that. They just keep it on there because they think it looks sexy. But if you pay $60, $70, $80,000 for a vehicle, I think you should be able to do exactly whatever it is the hell that you want. And you guys seen the inside of these, but they never get old. Never get old. There goes one of their main pieces right there. We're gonna give them some space to let them check it out. But this is the Dodge Ram TRX. Basically, it's a 6.2 liter supercharged monster truck. When I mean monster truck, I don't mean monster as in high off the ground. I mean monster as in this thing is a straight beast. And I think one of the guys who actually own this is the Tall Guy. So shout out to Tall Guy Car Reviews, because he's been doing a lot of videos on this vehicle. Oh, and the interior on this is just crisp. It's so clean. It is very nice. I'm sorry it's so dark in here. I wish they had more lighting in here, but I'm trying to give you guys everything that I'm seeing, man, and it is impeccable. I really love what they did with the interior. The seating and the space back here, I mean, you guys can't really get a good view of how much legroom you have, but there is really a lot of room, and there is really a lot of options on this car. Very cool car. Look at all these 4-wheel drive, all the buttons there, all the gadgets, the huge monitor right there. Not even to mention all of the stuff that they have up top that I didn't even notice. Very cool car. I loved what they did with the setup in the rear too. They got the little step guards there. Extra spare tire mounted right there in the back. Looks badass. And it's got the big cover on there with the LED lights. I'm sure it lights it up really good at nighttime. And I know you guys seen the Gladiators before, but here goes another one. I love that maroon color. I'm a big fan of that maroon color. I'm not a big fan of the Gladiator itself, but it is a different vehicle in itself. In my opinion, it's almost like a Mercedes for some reason. I gotta feel like it's more of the box AMG Mercedes that they went after on this, but that's kind of the Jeep, that's kind of the AMG look. But the Gladiator, I don't know, man. What do you guys think of the Gladiator? Either way, that color looks really good on this thing. I like the little tin cover that they have over the back. Keep all your belongings, all your stuff back there nice and private. And I'm gonna give you a quick sneak peek of what's going on over here. But you guys know we're gonna have to go over there. And it's just a sneak peek, but I'm not gonna ruin it, so yeah. Wagoneer. This is the Grand Wagoneer. Everyone's making a big fuss about this, and I'm hearing that they haven't really released too much information on it. They kind of just put it on the showroom. You guys tell me what you think. I think it looks really good. It's almost like a Suburban for the Jeep. It is a third row vehicle, and it looks like it has all the bells and whistles. So you guys see the little floor drop down there. It makes it a little bit easier for you guys to get into the vehicle. Like I said, it's almost like a Suburban. It's more so like the Tahoe with the space that you have in the back, but yet you guys have to see the inside on this. And I've been to the showroom at Jeep, and I've got to see this, but I gotta show you guys the inside of this, so that way you guys have an in-depth view. I'm walking by and I just see lots and lots and lots of goodies in there. And I love the route that they're going with the newer vehicles, because the interiors are impeccable. The interiors are impeccable on these vehicles. I can really not complain about it. So we'll give everyone a good chance to check the vehicle out, and then, you know, I'll get in there and show you guys exactly what it is. And I can't lie, it's a little awkward standing here, kind of talking to myself. A lot of people probably looking at me kind of weird, but you know, you got to step out of your own element sometime and do something different. So let's go ahead and check out the inside of the Jeep Grand Wagoneer. And right off the back, you can see, look at the details in the seats and the trim on the door panel. I love the speaker covers. I mean, look at that. The details that they put in this vehicle. I mean, I'm really impressed, honestly. I'm extremely impressed, actually. Got the panorama roof, the stitching on the seats. It's even got it embedded, the series. I'm guessing that's the Series 3. Huge monitor there in the middle with all the buttons, all the gadgets there. Very crisp, very clean vehicle. Let's take a look in the rear. And I love the bucket seats in the rear, so that way it separates it. You got dual monitors. Another separate monitor looks like in the middle. Of course, you have all your controls there. And it doesn't look like they shorted out the back seat either. So, very nice vehicle. Got the shades here on the side. I'm telling you, Jeep has came a very, very long way. I had to take my time on that one, because I'm gonna have to do another review when I see one of these at auction, but I think it's gonna be some time before I do see one. Again, if you like the Grand Wagoneer, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you guys. We're up to like 330 subscribers. Again, we are at the Orlando Auto Show at the Orange County Convention Center. Indoor courses in here, and I'm going to be able to check out the Jeep one right now. They have a whole bunch of Jeeps. It looks like they even have an electric Jeep, which I was completely unaware of. So I'm gonna take you guys inside here and we're gonna check it out together. Like I said, I'm not gonna lie, I feel extremely awkward, but again, step out on the limb, man. Do something that you've never done before. I encourage it. Thank you. Oh yeah. How you doing?
Oh, good. Oh. So you're coming in for the thrill ride. Are we doing this
Yes.
on the gram?
Yeah.
I'm talking about.
What's your name, man?
I'm Seth.
Nice to meet you, man. Randy. Nice to meet you.
Nice
Yep.
to meet you, Randy. Have you ever had a Wrangler yourself?
I actually have a 98 Sahara, 4x4, but I don't ever do anything like this.
Never do anything like this, huh?
No.
I will say, I don't do anything like this. I have one of these at home. I have a 4xe, not the Rubicon version, but the 4. This is the Rubicon version. I got the sway bar disconnected.
Wow.
It gives us a little bit more.
Oh my god. That's badass, man. That is badass.
This gives us a little bit, about 20% more flexibility on the axle. We got skid plates on the bottom for if we're going over anything crazy like this that could damage the bottom of the engine or transmission. And excellent traction also. There's a 30-degree angle.
Wow.
Also have a Ford trail cam on this one.
Badass.
Kind of see where, if you can't see where you're going, you can kind of.
Yeah, spotter. You don't need a
Gauge.
spotter, right? Wow.
Stop.
That is crazy, man.
Yeah. Right here. Articulate this thing about 30 degrees.
Wow. And you're not worried about rolling over ever, huh?
Worried about rolling up? If we do, I mean, aren't they gonna pay us? So
You got a good point.
See?
Wow, man. I'm like hanging like right there.
You are. see where we're at. It ain't gonna show us right now. There's about 30-degree articulation on that one.
That is amazing.
Excellent
man.
ground clearance. So if you wanted to climb the Great Wall of China,
Wow. No problem. Oh man.
I always like to use that trail cam. Make sure I'm on point. Yep. Going down the right one.
Amazing.
Let's not go
On
off
the
the
stairs. This is so much fun.
Of course, a great breakover point here.
Nice, man.
Woo!
That is nice.
Have you enjoyed the ride? So
Absolutely, man. Absolutely. I love it, man. Very cool.
man.
Thank you so much, man.
problem, man.
I'm still in like awe right now. Have a good one, man.
I'm back, bro. So what did you think?
Not too bad, man. Not too bad at all. Thanks again, man.